So right here we have another question. So which of the following is the most appropriate next step in management? So for this type of question, we're going to have to skim through and read, finding out the key points to solve our question. So let's do that. So chief complaint, I have trouble sleeping at night and my ribs hurt. And then HPI, we have a 29-year-old woman presents to the clinic with insomnia, rib pain for the past 3 weeks. She appears anxious and avoids eye contact. So if she's anxious and avoids eye contact, and we need to rule out abuse. So when asked privately, she tearfully reveals that her girlfriend has been physically abusive, punching me when she's angry and almost every night. So that confirms abuse. She says that she's afraid to leave because she said she'll hurt me worse if I tried. So in this case, we clearly see it's abuse. So let's go ahead and read through the options really quickly. So option A, report the assault to the police without the patient's consent. No, you're not going to want to do that because mandatory reporting laws vary by state, and you cannot report a person, incompetent adults, without their consent unless it's children's, adults, or disabled. So that rules out option A. And option B, respect the patient's autonomy and offer resources for intimate partner violence. That seems okay. Let's read the other ones. C, encourage the patient to confront her partner together with you in this clinic. So we don't want any confrontation because the abuser can be dangerous, and they may escalate, and so never a good idea to do that. And then D, which is hospitalize the patient involuntarily for safety concerns. So no, that's not something that we need to do because involuntary hospitalization is only appropriate for self-harm and suicidal patients, and that's not our case here. And then E, contact the patient's family to intervene in the situation. So contacting family violates the confidentiality, so we should probably not do that. So going back to the answer choices, B is our correct answer. Respect the patient's autonomy and offer resources for intimate partner violence. If you like my content and these type of questions, please subscribe and share. I'll be making more. Thank you.